Hello lovely, my name's Frankie and I'm a hairdresser, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Macadamia Professional Oil Treatment. Before we get into the video, I'm going to be changing my review system slightly. So if you've been here before and you've seen one of my reviews, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this one. It's not going to be as structured, but as always, I really appreciate all of your advice. I'm really grateful for it. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, but let's get straight into the video. So the Macadamia Professional Oil Infused Hair Repair is an oil treatment that is said to hydrate, nourish and revitalize dry and damaged hair. It's suggested that it's best used on medium to coarse hair, and it's also color safe, vegan and cruelty free. You guys know how I feel about my vegan and cruelty free products, so that is already a massive thumbs up from me. So they recommend pumping a few drops into your hands, rubbing your hands together and then smoothing the product through the lengths and ends whilst your hair is damp. Then either air dry or blow dry your hair. And whilst I use this product almost exactly the same, there is one thing that I change. And rather than using just a few drops, I personally use a few pumps, but I have a lot of hair. So you can see here that I'm going in with 2 pumps first, smothering it through the hair, and then I go in with even more afterwards. But I know personally, because I've used this product for such a long time, that my hair can hold that amount of product and can absorb that amount of product. If you had finer hair or shorter hair, maybe you would just start off with a couple of drops and see how it sits in the hair. But personally for me, I know that my hair can handle that amount of oil, so I load it up. So for me personally, I probably would use slightly more than the average person because I have really thick and coarse hair, and it is quite dry at the moment because I haven't had it cut for a while and the weather's quite cold, so it's definitely feeling drier. But if you lived in a warmer climate, if you had finer, shorter hair, you'd get even more use out of this product than I do. And when I say that I use quite a bit of it, it still lasts me at least 6 months. So it goes a really long way, and you can use as much or as little as possible. What I like most about this product is the consistency and how well absorbed it is in the hair, and I think these two things kind of go hand in hand. What I love about the consistency is that although this product is a liquid, it's quite a dry oil, and if you haven't used oils before, you probably won't know what this means, but it's not a sticky or slimy oil. So if you were to put it in your hair and leave some residue on your hands, within a few minutes that would soak in and your skin would absorb it because it's not too watered down and it hasn't got too many other chemicals in it, so it's just really pure and it just soaks into the skin. And that leads me on to the absorbent side of it. I think because it's a dry oil, the hair really absorbs the oil and it feels like it's doing something. It doesn't just sit on the outside layer, it really penetrates through. And I feel like with my hair texture and my hair density, and because I've used this product quite a lot, I can go through and even put some in my hair when it's wet, and I know that my hair will not look greasy and it will really soak it in. Another thing I really love about this product is that I can really tell when I've used it. So the picture on the left is of my hair with no product in it at all. I've washed it and I've just blow dried it. And the picture on the right is exactly the same, but the only difference is that it has the oil treatment in it. So I've done exactly the same blow dry. And to be honest, if anything, I think my hair even looks smoother as well. It looks smoother, it looks stronger, and it looks healthier. And I've definitely noticed this when I've been using it with clients too. Her hair looks so healthy and so shiny afterwards. I'll pop a picture up of it here if I still have one. But yeah, that's all of this oil, and that would be the only product that I would have used in her hair, other than her using her own shampoo and conditioner. That's the only style product that I've used. And she still has really nice shiny hair. Even though her hair is bleached and heat is being used on it, it's still really gorgeous and shiny. So it's definitely a product that not only repairs the hair, but also helps the hair look nice and strong, shiny and healthy. A product that I would compare the Macadamia Professional Oil Treatment to is the Moroccan oil. They are really similar in consistency and they have quite similar ingredients lists. So they're both really pure oils and they're really moisturizing and hydrating. But there's one quite big difference in these two products, and that is price. So for 125 ml of the Macadamia Professional Oil Treatment, it's going to cost you between £16 and £17. For the Moroccan oil, for only 100 millilitres, it's going to cost you between £32 and £34, depending on where you get it and what kind of discount you can get. So there is a big difference in price, almost half price. So for that reason, I think this product, the Macadamia Professional Oil Treatment, is really affordable, because there's a lot of high-end products out there that are really expensive, like the Moroccan oil. And yes, it might look a little bit more luxurious because it's in a glass bottle, but if it's going to save that much on price and the product is almost exactly the same, then why wouldn't you just spend less? The oil treatment is a vegan product, and Macadamia Professional as a brand are really sustainable, and all of their products are cruelty-free, which I personally love. I think it's really important trying to find products that are sustainable, cruelty-free and vegan, and it feels really good when you use them. It's also really reassuring that the products don't have any animal-derived ingredients in them, and you're not pumping your hair full of nasty chemicals. So I've actually been using the Macadamia Professional Oil Treatment for over a year now. I first came across the product when I went into the wholesalers, and at the time I tried out a shampoo and conditioner from them as well, which I might review in the future if you guys like this review. I've always used this product. When I first bought it, I was amazed at how long it lasted. So I do clients all the time, full time, and I get really busy, and I use this product nearly on every client. And it lasts a good 6 months, even using it on every client and using it on myself every few days as well. So I think for cost and for product use, it's really good value for money. I would probably actually recommend this product to anyone. Although it says it's for medium to coarse textured hair, I think you could use this if you had fine hair. You would just use less of it. And it would be sort of like a process where you'd need to get used to how much to use. One day you might put too much in, one day you might not put enough in. I personally know I can use a load of this product in my hair, and my hair just absorbs it and just gets healthier and healthier and looks gorgeous. But for some people that I use it in, I'll just use the tiniest amount, not even a pump, like a little drop of oil just in my hands. You wouldn't even know it was there, but it just coats the edges and just gives them a nice bit of repair. So if you had coloured hair, brittle hair, broken hair, you need to be using oils, and this one is great. It is a really intense oil treatment, and I think you would really benefit from using it. But even if you don't have broken hair and your hair is really healthy and not damaged at all, I would still definitely recommend using an oil. Maybe you could get this one and just use less of it, and just use it every couple of weeks, like maybe a few drops, put it through your hair. Just know that you're doing all that you can to keep your hair healthy. This product is definitely best used in damp hair, so I would recommend putting it in your hair when your hair is wet and freshly washed. Saying that, I can put it in my hair when my hair is dry, and I know that my hair absorbs it. So if you feel like your hair's quite dry as well, then maybe you just go through and put a little bit in before bed, and usually when I wake up the next morning, it's completely absorbed. Not even usually, like all the time. So as far as oils go, I really can't fault this product. Like I said, I've gone back to it time and time again, and it really smells so gorgeous. I wish you guys could smell it through the camera because it is really, really nice. It's a really lovely textured oil. It is not sticky or slimy or wet at all. It's a nice dry oil. It absorbs really well in the hair. It makes the hair look healthier and shinier when you use it. And I think that's really important. So not only is it doing its job and working in the cuticle, really penetrating through the hair, it's also making the outside of your hair look healthier and stronger. So it's kind of a 2-in-1, to be honest. I definitely think that this product is also true to advertisement. It's super hydrating, it's super nourishing, and it definitely revitalizes the hair. And for that reason, this is the first time I'm going to do it, but I'm going to give this product 5 out of 5 stars. Not only does it meet high-end brands, it competes with them, and it's cheaper in price. If you don't have this oil in your life, then you definitely need to get your hands on it. There's some links in the description down below. Some of them are affiliates, some of them aren't. If you want to have a look at the products, then please check them out. I would love for you guys to try them, and let me know in the comments if you like this new style of video, or if you want me to go back to more of like a categorized thing. But yeah, that is it from me this week, guys. Go and check out this product online, and the brand as a whole. They're such a lovely brand, and all of their products smell amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week for my weekly upload. Bye.